Oh, gosh dang blum. Oh, well, it's great, yeah. Welcome to Bill Beaver's Handy Hardware Moments. Today, I'm going to demonstrate to you the right way to hang up a picture in your home. Now, this sounds very simple to you, yes? Well, let me tell you that many things can go wrong. If you follow my few DIY rules, it's a peasy cake. So, let's go make home over. So, number 1, choose a picture to complement your home interior and then decide where you want to hang it. So, let's look here. What's a nice picture with a musician on the front. So, Bill Beaver's not very musical, so down there. Now, this is very Bill Beaver and big, so this will do perfectly. It's a bit heavy over here, I think, so... whoopsie daisy. This one, I think, is just perfect. So now all we need to do is find the right size hook to hang it on. So this hook here is far too big for this little picture. What's the hook here? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Sven? Sven! Okay, so it's great, yeah? Next, we must measure up with this, my trusty measuring tape mate, okay? Oh, talking of mates, something happened to my best mate, Sven, the other day. He was very hungry, you see, so he's going along to our local Crab Shack restaurant here in Damstown. On his way into the restaurant, Sven slips up on a pile of doggy poo by the door. He falls heels over head and lands hard bang on his backside. Ooh, poor Sven. Just then, would you believe it, the biggest, beefiest biker in Damstown, Harry Heinrich, is also coming into the restaurant, and he too slips head over heels and lands on his backside in the poo. Sven says to him, pointing at the poo, "I just did that." So Heinrich, bosh, hits him. Poor Sven! Banged bum and the pokiest, blackest eye ever. Oh, so... Now, where were we? Okay, so, yes, measuring up. Whoops. Oh, dear. So, this is a bit of a mess, huh? Oh dear. So, quickly clear it up. That'll do, eh? Okay, so now I'm using my trusty stepladder to get myself into a good position for this next crucial stage. It's very important that you do not have to strain to reach your mark. That way will only lead to accidents. So I have the hammer and the hook, and here we go. There, you see? So always be a safer beaver. Oh! Sven? There. And so, finally, the picture is ready to be displayed and admired by all your friends. And here's a quick recap. Number 1. Choose a nice picture. Number 2, select your hook. Number 3, measure up. Number 4, don't strain. Use a ladder. Number 5, hammer home the hook. Number 6, hang your picture. And so, there you have it. Good job, Bill. So, let's go fishing.